See, next another third Java program with multiple classes. In the previous two programs we did only with the single class, and in this program we are doing the three classes. See, class A, that is class keyword, class name is demo A. So in this class I am using one method name is called method A. Method name is called method A of type void, and this method is a static method. So, and this method is having one statement, system.out.println method A in demo A. Method A in demo A class. And just for one clarification, this method is belongs to demo A class that I given here. There is no any logic and nothing, just we are giving the one clarification. This method is belongs to demo A. That is the statement I want to display on the screen. So that is the one statement contains this method A. Then end of the class. This is the first class. Then come to the next class B. Similarly another class B. That is class name is called demo B. Class name is demo B. Now this class also contains one method. That method is called method B. Static void method B. Method B is a method name, and this method is a return type is void, and this is a static method. And this method is also contains one statement, that is system.out.println method B in demo B. Method B belongs to the demo B class. So that is the another clarification I give, and this method is belong to this class, that is this one. And end of the class again here, end of the class, end of the method, end of the class. We know every method and every class, if you start we should end. So every opening brace there is a corresponding closing brace should be there, that you know, that basics you know already. And this is the second class. And now come to the another class name is what? Demo C. Now another class demo C, and class start, and this class also contains one method that is called method C. This method is also contains one statement, system.out.println method C in demo C. So this method is belongs to this class, that is the indication I given here, method C in demo C. Then end of the method, then end of the class. The class will be end here. And in this class, in the same class, I am using the another method that is called main method. See, suppose if you use many classes in the Java program, and only one method should be used in the any one class. You cannot use the multiple main methods in the one Java program. There is only one main method should be there in the Java program. Single Java program is contains only one main method, even though if it is contains many classes. Okay. Now public static void main method always should come these keywords I already told. This method is contains one argument that is called args of type string, array of type string, and always this string is S is capital letter because string is a class, and always here system is a class. Always predefined classes in Java should start with the first letter capital letter. Okay. Now main method start in the main method demo. So now I am calling these three methods. I want to display the output. This is the first output, and this is the second output, and this is the third output. How to display these three outputs? From the main method we are calling one by one. So now I am calling one by one. So demo A dot method A. See, the static methods directly you can call, no need to create the object. See here, demo A class name dot method name. If any static methods are there in the Java program, you can call directly by using that class name dot method name. What is the class name of method A? Demo A. So demo A dot method A. Now directly this will call the first method. This one will be called. Now first output is what? Method A in demo A. This is the first output. Then now I want to display the second output. If you want to call this method from the main method, how to call? So we have to call class name dot method name. Why we have to use class name dot method name? Because it is a static method. Static methods are called directly. No need to create the object. Directly you can call with that class name. Demo B dot class B. Now it will call this method second. Demo B dot method B. So directly it will call this method. In this demo B, what is the output? Method B in demo B. method B in demo B. This is the second output. Now I want to display the third output. Now if you want to display this, you have to call this method. How to call this method? So using that class name demo C dot method A, demo C dot method C. What is that class name? Demo C dot method C. Now this will call this method. See, it will call this one demo C dot method C. This will be called, and what is the output there? Method C in demo C. Method C in demo C. This is the third output. These are the outputs displayed. So you know how to compile and run this Java program. And here see, one more you have to think. Here three classes are there. Demo A is there, demo B is there, demo C is there. Which class name you have to take your file name? Now, so you have see, always suppose if Java program contains many classes, so you have to take the file name. Which class means whichever the class is contains the main method, that class name you have to choose as a file name. Now in the demo A there is no main method, in the demo B no main method, in the demo C class we are using the main method. So which class is contains the main method, that class name you have to choose as a file name. Now for this program, what is the file name? Demo C dot Java. Demo C dot Java. This is the file name. So you cannot give the demo A.java or demo B.java. We have to take demo C.java. Why? Because in the demo C class only we are using the main method. Which main method? The main method is contains in which class? That class name only you have to choose as a file name. Now demo C.java. That is the file name you have to choose for this program. And you know how to compile and run this program, demo C.java. Already I given two programs previously examples. Similarly, we have to compile and run. After running this program completely, then we will get the output like this: first output, second output, and third output. So this is the multiple classes using in the single Java program. Thank you.